Hello, everybody. I hope everybody's doing good. My name is TT Pasha. I am a stand-up comedian. I'm a radio personality. I am also an actor and all-around entertainer. I'm an MC, corporate MC, and I do a lot of that work as well. A bit of background on me. In high school, I was more interested in computers and doing computer work, studying IT, but I didn't have the funds for it. So when I ended high school, I could only go for what I wanted to do, which was go for radio auditions and start with the journey in entertainment. And that's where it started a couple of years ago. So I joined a radio station and from there started doing voiceovers and started attending auditions for movies and series and such things. I started doing stand-up comedy. Found my feet. I found out that I'm actually funny instead of just funny looking, which was great. So a couple of years down the line, I think 2 years ago, I saw iFundi and I saw that they were offering online classes for an accelerated IT program that they were doing. I looked them up. And I've always wanted to have something on the side skill. And when they said that, you could study IT, I thought to myself, it's the perfect opportunity for me to join iFundi and get a qualification. And since the world is actually moving digitally and everything is happening online, every industry is affected by AI and technology is just taking over. I thought, it'd be great to have an IT qualification to know what's happening in the world, so that I'm not completely lost. Studied with iFundi, I registered with them. They teach you all sorts of things, how to create a website. We're learning how to make an app, which is actually quite awesome. The classes were on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. until 9 p.m., which was perfect because my schedule during the week, I'm doing radio. I do the breakfast show at Pele FM. And at night, I'm a stand-up comedian. On some nights, I had to go out and attend a couple of shows, Joburg, Gloria, and Polokwane, different places really. So it was actually perfect because I don't have to then sit in class, but I could just open my laptop from anywhere and attend the classes, which was actually amazing. We had classes also Saturday mornings between 9 and 12 midday. I think the benefit of it is absolutely amazing because it works so well with my schedule. Since I'm doing a whole lot of things, there are a lot of auditions that I go to, and sometimes I have to MC events on Saturday and such things. So there's not really much time to be sitting in class. And with this, all we needed to do was just sit. And also, if you miss the classes, we have a learning portal. You could catch the recording and catch up with it. Or if you didn't understand what was happening, you could go back and watch the classes that were given to you. And speaking of learning and how they teach, I think teaching methods were also quite dope because the facilitators are quite open. They give you the leeway to say, call me up at any time or just send me a WhatsApp and let me know if you don't understand a certain thing. And they put us in small group, which helps because when you're in a small little group, you get to people who are like you, who are also quite busy with their lives and they're trying to put this thing together, study together and help each other to grow, which was actually awesome because you learn to meet people that are complete strangers, but now are really good friends. A friend of mine who also works at Alex FM. We met each other through the group, and now we're actually working on making my website and building my website from scratch. Skills that we gathered during learning, we're going to actually practically use in the field of work that I do, and I think it's beneficial for anyone in any industry to learn more digital skills. Know what's happening in the world. The whole world is moving to AI and digital space is really huge. Now we learned HTML, we know about Python and how to build an app, how to build a website as well. We're going to be working on it. A friend that I met, which also helps, meeting new people. It gives you that sense of family, that camaraderie, which is what higher learning is about. It's about meeting people who are in the same sort of path that you are in so that you can help each other and help each other grow, even in the industry moving forward. I think a great experience, man. Learning with iFundi was quite dope.